Welcome to the Health Channel. In today's video we'll explore the wonderful world of clove water, and the numerous science-backed health benefits it has to offer. In the vast world of herbal remedies, few ingredients carry the captivating aroma and powerful properties of cloves. These tiny, dried flower buds, known for their distinctive flavor and aroma, have been celebrated for centuries. And it is not just for their culinary contributions. Clove is a spice native to Indonesia, but it has traveled the globe for its unique flavor and therapeutic properties. For example, did you know that cloves have one of the highest antioxidant capacities among spices? But there is much more to know about this amazing herb. One exciting way to harness the potential of cloves is by creating clove water, a refreshing elixir that can boost your well-being in various ways. So, if you are looking for a daily health-boosting elixir, look no further, and delve with us into the incredible benefits that clove water has to offer. Before we start, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you never want to miss out on our practical health advice. While this video provides valuable insights into the health benefits of cloves and clove water, it's essential to remember that individual responses can vary. Moderation and consultation with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian are advised, especially if you have specific health concerns or conditions. 1. Antimicrobial defense. Clove water possesses potent antimicrobial properties, thanks to the presence of compounds like eugenol and caryophyllene. A review in the International Journal of Pharmacy and Pharmaceutical Sciences highlights the role of clove compounds in combating bacterial and fungal infections. It can help in inhibiting the growth of harmful bacteria, including strains responsible for foodborne illnesses, oral infections, and skin infections. This makes cloves a valuable natural remedy for maintaining oral hygiene and overall health. They can also be used to combat various fungal infections, such as those affecting the skin, nails, and mucous membranes. Clove oil, for instance, is sometimes used to address fungal skin conditions. Historically, cloves have been used as a natural preservative for food due to their antimicrobial properties. They help extend the shelf life of perishable items by preventing the growth of spoilage causing microorganisms. Drinking clove water can be especially beneficial during the cold and flu season when you're more susceptible to infections. It's important to note that while cloves have demonstrated antimicrobial properties in various studies and traditional uses, their effectiveness can vary depending on the specific microorganism and the form in which they are used: whole cloves, ground cloves, or clove oil. When considering cloves as a natural antimicrobial remedy, it's advisable to use them in conjunction with proper hygiene practices, and in some cases, in consultation with a healthcare professional, especially when addressing specific health concerns. 2. Immune system support. Clove water can be your natural ally in boosting the body's immune defenses. The secret lies in its high antioxidant content, primarily vitamin C, and other potent compounds. A study published in the Journal of Food Science found that cloves have one of the highest antioxidant capacities among common spices. Antioxidants are like superheroes within your body, swooping in to neutralize harmful free radicals that can damage cells and weaken your immune system. By reducing oxidative stress, clove water on a daily basis can fortify your immune response, making it more effective in warding off infections and illnesses. Additionally, cloves are rich in other essential nutrients like vitamin K and vitamin A, both of which contribute to overall well-being. Vitamin K, for example, plays a pivotal role in regulating inflammation and blood clotting, while vitamin A supports healthy vision, skin, and mucous membranes. The combination of these essential nutrients in clove water makes it a powerhouse for maintaining optimal immune function. 3. Digestive Aid. If you've ever experienced discomfort after a hearty meal, you know the value of a natural digestive aid. Cloves have been traditionally used to aid digestion. A study in the Journal of Medicinal Food suggests that the compounds in cloves promote digestive enzyme activity, enhancing the digestive process and reducing gastrointestinal discomfort. Digestive enzymes play a vital role in breaking down food effectively. This not only reduces bloating and gas but also enhances nutrient absorption, ensuring that you get the most out of the food you eat. Clove water's digestive benefits extend to relieving symptoms of indigestion, including stomach cramps and discomfort. It can be particularly soothing after a heavy meal, helping you feel more at ease and preventing the post-dinner bloat. In summary, clove water's digestive benefits are linked to its ability to enhance digestion, reduce bloating and gas, and alleviate discomfort, making it a valuable addition to your wellness routine. If you want to know more about what causes bloating, and ways to get rid of it, you may like our video about this topic. 4. Dental Health Defender. Clove water's natural antiseptic and antibacterial properties make it a superstar in the realm of oral health. The compound eugenol, present in cloves, has been long recognized for its ability to combat harmful oral bacteria. Using clove water as a mouthwash can help freshen your breath and keep your mouth clean. Moreover, eugenol's analgesic properties can provide temporary relief from toothaches and gum pain. Simply swishing with clove water can numb the affected area and offer respite until you can seek professional dental care. Clove water's multifaceted approach to dental health includes prevention and relief, making it a compelling choice for those looking to maintain a healthy and pain-free smile. 5. Pain reliever. Clove oil, a derivative of cloves, has been studied for its pain-relieving properties. A study published in the Journal of Dentistry found that clove oil was effective in reducing pain in patients with toothaches, as we spoke of in the previous point. The active compound, eugenol, is a local anesthetic that can numb the painful area and reduce discomfort. When used in the form of clove water, this natural pain-relieving property can be extended to a wider array of oral and muscle discomforts. Sipping on clove water or using it as a mouthwash can provide relief when you need it most. It's important to note that while clove water can offer temporary relief, it's not a substitute for professional medical attention when dealing with severe or persistent pain. 6. Anti-Inflammatory Wonder. Chronic inflammation is at the root of many chronic diseases, including heart disease, diabetes, and arthritis. Studies have highlighted the anti-inflammatory properties of clove compounds like eugenol. Research published in the journal Pharmacognosy Research suggests that eugenol reduces inflammation and may be beneficial for conditions like arthritis. Eugenol works in a way that it inhibits the production of inflammatory molecules, making it a promising natural remedy for those looking to manage inflammation in a more holistic way. By incorporating clove water into your daily routine, you can support your body in its battle against long-term inflammation. This could lead to improved joint health, reduced pain, and an overall sense of well-being. 7. Respiratory health support. Clove water can be a valuable addition to your respiratory wellness routine. Cloves contain compounds that have been traditionally used to alleviate respiratory conditions like asthma and bronchitis. A study in biomedicine and pharmacotherapy demonstrated that cloves have bronchodilatory effects. Bronchodilatory effects refer to the ability of a substance to widen or dilate the bronchial airways in the lungs. In simpler terms, when a substance has bronchodilatory properties, it helps to relax and open up the air passages, making it easier for a person to breathe. This effect is particularly important for individuals who have conditions such as asthma or chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, where the airways can become constricted or narrowed, leading to breathing difficulties. It means that drinking clove water can help in relaxing the smooth muscles of the bronchial passages, potentially providing relief to individuals with respiratory conditions like asthma and bronchitis. These effects can contribute to easier and more comfortable breathing by widening the airways. And apart from that, clove water can also act as an expectorant, facilitating the removal of mucus and phlegm from the respiratory passages. This can provide relief from congestion and coughing, making it a useful natural remedy during cold and flu season. 8. Antioxidant Powerhouse. The antioxidant properties of cloves are well documented. The presence of polyphenols and flavonoids in cloves contributes to their antioxidant capacity, as discussed in a review in the International Journal of Research in Pharmacy and Chemistry. These antioxidant compounds help protect your body from oxidative stress, a process that can lead to cellular damage and contribute to aging and chronic diseases. By reducing the impact of free radicals on your body's cells, clove water may help maintain youthful skin and support a vibrant appearance. Moreover, the antioxidant properties of clove water can have a positive impact on your overall health, by potentially reducing the risk of conditions related to oxidative stress, such as cardiovascular diseases and certain types of cancer. This makes it a delicious and healthful choice for those who want to invest in their long-term well-being. 9. Blood sugar regulation. Emerging research suggests that cloves may play a role in helping to regulate blood sugar levels. A study in Pharmacognosy magazine suggests that cloves can improve insulin sensitivity and help manage blood sugar levels. The compounds found in cloves, such as eugenol and other bioactive substances, improve insulin sensitivity and glucose metabolism. As a result, incorporating clove water into your daily routine may help stabilize blood sugar levels, which can be particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. 10. Skin health and acne management. Clove water's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties extend to your skin. These properties can help combat acne, reduce skin irritation, and promote a clearer complexion. The application of diluted clove water as a natural toner or topical treatment can help prevent and alleviate acne breakouts. Additionally, clove water's antimicrobial qualities can fight the bacteria responsible for skin infections, promoting faster healing of minor cuts and wounds. By incorporating clove water into your skincare routine, you can harness its natural benefits for radiant and blemish-free skin. How to make clove water. Clove water is a versatile and aromatic beverage that can be enjoyed hot or cold. It serves as a great way to incorporate the health benefits of cloves into your daily routine. Making clove water is a straightforward process, and it can be done in a few simple steps. Start by bringing 2 cups of water to a boil in a saucepan. Use filtered water for the best taste. Once the water reaches a rolling boil, add 1 to 2 teaspoons of whole cloves or ground cloves to the boiling water. The amount of cloves you use will depend on your preference for flavor and aroma. You can adjust it to make the clove water more or less potent. Reduce the heat to low and let the water simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. This will allow the cloves to infuse their flavor and beneficial compounds into the water. You'll notice the water taking on a rich, aromatic scent. After simmering, strain the clove water to remove the cloves. You can use a fine mesh strainer, a tea infuser, or a piece of cheesecloth to separate the liquid from the cloves. At this point, you can add honey or your preferred sweetener to taste if you desire a sweeter clove water. Additionally, you can add slices of lemon or lime for extra flavor and a touch of citrusy freshness. Pour your clove water into a cup or glass and enjoy it hot, or let it cool to room temperature and refrigerate for a refreshing cold drink. You can also add ice cubes for a chilled clove water experience. You can store any leftover clove water in the refrigerator for a day or 2, but it's best when freshly made for optimal flavor and aroma. Whether you're sipping it as a hot tea or a cold refreshment, it's a versatile addition to your daily routine. Thank you for joining us today on the Health Channel as we explored the incredible health benefits of clove water. We hope you found this information both informative and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on all things related to health and wellness, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss an update from us. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please feel free to drop them in the comments below. We love hearing from our amazing community of health-conscious viewers. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth, and the Health Channel is here to help you on your journey to a healthier, happier life.